Well, we've had a bit of a lazy morning. It was a late night last night, but I think we're just catching up on some sleep still. Not sure what we're going to do today yet. A bit more exploring of Hanoi.
The blackness.
Dad, which way do you reckon the water puppet show is?
That way.
And about how many minutes walk?
On this end, probably 5.
Can you stand up? And walk out onto the street. Dad reckons about 5 minutes. Turn right. It's right there. It's literally the building right next door.
Yeah, can't get my bearings in this place yet.
Wait, he's got his bearing. He's got his bearings, but not his bearings.
Got the bearings. Yeah.
So we've been walking around the shops. Now we've decided we're going to come up here and have a beer. Nice view out over the lake. Having a beer on the balcony. Now we're going for a stroll back to the hotel. So our taxi's picking us up in 40 minutes and we still have to shower and pick up, get down to the nice air-conditioned lobby and wait for the taxi. Taxi on the way to the airport, and we've just found out our flight's been delayed for 3.5 hours.
Could see the Jetstar's consistent wherever they're in the world.
10 out of 10 for consistency. So hoping there's somewhere for a foot massage or some food or a bar. I'm sure there will be. Business now. And I'm having some noodles. I'm waiting for the dinner stuff to come out. And Dad, what are you drinking?
I'd quite a major fail, actually, perhaps the biggest fail of the trip. I saw that in the drinks cabinet. I thought, oh well, it looks like a booming Coke. I saw a guy here next to me drinking it, can't be that bad. So I picked it up, I thought, give it a go. Took a swallow and I thought, whoa, that's it's a bit strange. And then turned it around and it's got English on the other side. If you read the English, it says, bird's nest and white truffle drink. I've just googled it and it's a website for the world's weirdest foods. The bird's nest, so it's made from swallow, spittle and white truffle mushrooms.
Sounds divine.
And it tastes disgusting.
You're still drinking it. Weirdo.
You have to actually chew it to get it down now towards the end. But it's got no alcohol in there, so what's the point?
I'll just keep enjoying my Heineken.
So our 4-hour delay at Hanoi airport is over, and now we're boarding our flight to Da Nang.